Have you ever wondered how your computer instantly knows where to find a website like example.com, translating a human-friendly name into a series of numbers that machines understand? It is a fascinating process that underpins nearly every online interaction we have today, forming the very backbone of internet connectivity. At its core, an authoritative server's role is to provide the definitive Internet Protocol, or IP, address for a specific domain name. Think of it as the ultimate source of truth for that domain, holding the master record that tells the Internet exactly where to send your requests. This crucial function is part of the Domain Name System, or DNS, a distributed hierarchical system that translates domain names into numerical IP addresses. When you type a website address, your local resolver first queries recursive DNS servers. If they do not have the IP address cached, they escalate the query up the DNS hierarchy, eventually reaching a top-level domain, or TLD, server. The TLD server then points the recursive server to the correct authoritative server for that specific domain. This system ensures that only the designated server can declare the official IP address for its managed domains, preventing conflicts and maintaining order. To illustrate this, imagine you want to visit a website. Your computer asks your internet service provider's DNS resolver for the IP address. If the resolver does not know, it asks a root server. The root server directs it to the appropriate TLD server, like for.com. The TLD server then tells the resolver which authoritative server is responsible for that specific domain. Finally, the resolver asks that authoritative server directly for the IP address, and once it receives it, your computer can connect to the website. This direct line to the source of truth is why authoritative servers are so vital. They are responsible for responding to queries for domains within their zone, such as example.com, with accurate, up-to-date IP addresses. Without them, the entire DNS lookup process would break down, as there would be no single, trusted entity to provide the final piece of the puzzle. This decentralization and delegation of authority are key to the DNS's scalability and resilience, ensuring that millions of websites can be resolved efficiently worldwide. Ultimately, the authoritative server acts as the final arbiter in the domain name system, delivering the precise IP address needed for your device to connect to a website or online service. It is this fundamental piece of internet infrastructure that enables seamless navigation, transforming complex network addresses into the simple, memorable domain names we use every day, thereby making the global network accessible and functional for everyone.
If you love understanding how the web works, like, subscribe, and stay connected with us.